Shuncai is a product that's been making waves lately, and if you're thinking about buying it, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll go over 7 key points that will help you determine whether Shuncai is the right choice for you, especially when compared to other products in the same category. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss what we're about to cover. First things first, Shuncai offers a unique approach to its features that sets it apart from other competitors. Unlike other software, Shuncai integrates seamlessly with multiple platforms, making it incredibly versatile. While most products out there stick to a one-size-fits-all solution, Shuncai gives you more control and customization options, letting you tailor it exactly to your needs. This is a game changer if you're looking for something that fits into your specific workflow without forcing you into a rigid template. Next thing you should know is about the user experience. The interface of Shuncai is incredibly intuitive, but don't let that simplicity fool you. It's packed with powerful features that are easy to navigate, even for beginners. Many of its competitors might offer similar features, but the learning curve can be steep. With Shuncai, you can dive in and get started almost immediately, which is a huge plus if you're short on time or don't want to waste energy on a steep learning curve. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. Shuncai stands out here, offering responsive and knowledgeable support teams. If you've used other software products, you know how frustrating it can be to deal with slow or unhelpful customer service. Shuncai's support team, on the other hand, is known for being quick to respond and for offering solutions that actually work. This is especially important when you rely on a tool for your business or daily tasks, as you don't want to be stuck without help when you need it. Now let's talk about the pricing. Shuncai offers one of the best value for money deals on the market. While its competitors charge high premiums for similar features, Shuncai gives you the flexibility to scale up or down based on your needs. And yes, you can get started for free with a trial, making it risk-free to test out all of its capabilities before committing to a paid plan. Be sure to check out the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial available right now. The fifth thing you need to know is about updates and innovation. Shuncai is consistently improving, adding new features and enhancing existing ones. Many competitors launch and then forget about updates, leaving their users stuck with outdated software. Shuncai's commitment to continuous improvement means you'll always have access to the latest and greatest features, which is crucial in an ever-evolving industry. Next up, let's discuss security. Shuncai is built with top-tier security protocols to protect your data. Data breaches have become a growing concern, and many software products out there still fall short when it comes to securing your information. With Shuncai, you get the peace of mind that your data is encrypted and stored safely, which makes it a trustworthy option for businesses and individuals alike. The seventh and final thing you need to know is Shuncai's scalability. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Shuncai can grow with you. Unlike some tools that can only handle a certain volume of work before crashing, Shuncai's infrastructure is designed to scale seamlessly as you expand. This makes it a solid choice for companies looking for a long-term solution that won't need to be replaced as your business grows. If you want to try out Shuncai and see if it's the right fit for you, make sure you click the first link in the description below. You'll not only get access to a free trial, but also unlock exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get the best offer and make an informed decision before buying.